In today's beginner-friendly art tutorial, I'm serving up 8 easy breakfast doodles in under 4 minutes. Number 1, orange juice. Draw an oval, then the 2 sides of the glass going down, and you're going to put a curving line across the bottom, maybe a bit of a shadow. Then we'll come in with a light orange, and we are going to fill in the bottom half of the glass. You can leave a little bit of space between the blue lines of the glass and the orange lines. Use pink to draw a line on an angle. That's our straw, and we can also use pink to shade the juice a little. Next up, a donut. Draw an oval and put a little rounded line in the center. That's going to be your indent. Then we're going to come down here and make the icing look all ooey gooey. And then you can see the indent a lot better when I add a darker pink for shading, and you can shade the base of the icing as well. Reach for a light brown colored pencil and we'll draw in the base of the donut or the bottom part of the donut, and you can finish it off with some rainbow sprinkles. Our breakfast needs cappuccino. Start with a circle. I'm using dark brown, and then you're going to drop down and do a semicircle below the circle. That's going to be your mug. When you color it in, you can leave a little highlight and then do the curving line for the handle. Then use a light brown, sketch a heart, and color it in. Kind of gives the look of that latte art. Okay, next up, eggs. Use a very light gray and just do kind of a lumpy circular oval-shaped area. You know how to kind of make that egg shape. And then 2 yellow circles. There's your eggs. Now we got to have bacon. I start with brown wavy lines, do 2 or 3 strips overlapping, and shade with a little bit of red or burgundy. You can add a plate around the whole thing if you like. Okay, next up we have strawberries. I do a red circle, but don't fill in the top. In that top blank area, put a green starburst and then color the whole thing in red. There's your berry. Let's illustrate a jam jar together. I'm going for the classic bon moment. I start with an oval and then drop down and do that little rim right below it. And then we'll add red lines on a bit of an angle, and then you can crisscross those to create kind of a messy gingham look. Sketch the base of the jar in a light gray, add a big label, and fill the whole thing in with a bit of pink or purple or red. You can add some messy text to the label if you like, and I decided to go over mine with a bit of a darker gray. Okay, let's do a muffin. I'm going to start with a brown circle, shade it in ever so lightly. Then at the base here, we do a bunch of vertical lines. Then we're going to take a darker color, whatever color you're using. I'm doing purple, and do some more lines. That's how you create the muffin liner. I put blue dots for a blueberry muffin and then shaded the entire thing in a little bit darker. Okay, finally, a croissant. We will start with a little rounded corner rectangle, a rectangle with rounded corners. On both sides of the rectangle, you're going to put 2 more little shapes and then 2 more little shapes. And there's your croissant. I don't know how to describe this one, but you can see what I'm doing. And the key here is to go really light brown and then shade the base in a little darker. So shade it just on the bottom, and all of a sudden you get that fluffy croissant shape. Okay, friends, that is 8 breakfast doodles in under 4 minutes. I hope you find these fun and easy to draw. Put them on calendars, cards, journal spreads, whatever you like.